Ryan. You're still up.
I got the flag.
I'm gonna try to get Del, Ryan. I got you, buddy. I just searched for locations of enemies on the map.
Got everyone on the top of the hill.
Where the hell is he?
I think he might be in those bushes. More to the right. At about
Got the guy behind
322, Ryan.
Sorry?
Alright, I'm gonna mark.
Yeah, look down. Got all of them.
Ryan, look at 225. 225.
225.
In the forest.
Yep, what am I looking at? Oh,
Contacts.
yep.
Alright. If you get there you go. There's two more. To the right. Going to eliminate those guys who saw us first.
Roger.
Oh, there he is.
Getting the armor on the hill.
Right, what's going on?
They got pull forward.
Hey, we've got a team of 4 guys that are up on that hill that were just behind the position where you guys are on that fire. Ryan, look down the sight. Don't try to just free ball it.
Put it over radio.
Say again?
Reloading.
Yo, we got the corner and fucking scatter.
Let me know when you're good.
Good to go. Pull forward again. There we go. Should we cap or wait?
Oh! Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Ryan, are you with me?
Looks like it. Yeah.
Holy
That's
shit! Guys, we're in
Take it to the
space.
fire. Oh, yes.
Yeah. Yeah, I can.
Holy
Oh wow, they're gone.
crap.
We're coming back.
Oh, I hope we land in the water. I wonder what's about to happen.
So why'd you guys do something?
Are you alive? Ryan, are you alive? You want to extract me? I'm down in the water. You should be able to carry me. Go forward. To your, yep, no. Start swimming behind you. Yep, go straight.